If you've ever searched Amazon for a budget-friendly smartwatch, you already know the struggle. Hundreds of options, identical designs, big promises, and prices that swing from suspiciously cheap to barely under $100. So in this video, we're cutting through the noise. We're comparing the best sub-$100 smartwatches you can actually buy on Amazon right now, judging them by the stuff that really matters. Their features, their battery life, and what real users say after weeks of daily use. Let's start with the brand that has quietly dominated the under $100 category for years, Amazfit. Their BIP series and the newer BIP/active models consistently show up in recommendations because they balance features and endurance better than almost anything else at this price. You get built-in GPS, blood oxygen tracking, continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, smart notifications, and even Alexa support on some variants. The biggest win here is battery life. Many users report around a week to 9 days per charge with normal use, which is why fitness-focused buyers love these models. And while the Zepp app occasionally gets a complaint for notifications acting weird or syncing slowly, the overall consensus is that Amazfit delivers way more value than the price tag suggests. If you want something that feels like a real smartwatch without crossing the $100 line, Amazfit almost always ends up at the top. But maybe you're not chasing fitness metrics or built-in GPS. Maybe you just want a big, bright display that looks like a premium smartwatch without the premium cost. That's where the Wise watch, in both 44mm and 47mm versions, comes in. Wise built its reputation on affordable smart home gear, and its smartwatch lineup follows that same formula. Oversized screens, simple design, IP68 water resistance, heart rate, and SpO2 sensors, and battery life that normally lands around a week in everyday use. Users love how clear and responsive the screen is, especially at this price. And the Wise app is simple enough that even first-time smartwatch owners find it easy to set up. The trade-off is that Wise watches don't offer full calling features. You can accept or reject calls, but you can't talk through the watch. And heavy notifications or motion-sensitive wake settings can reduce battery life more quickly. Still, if your priority is big screen, low price, Wise delivers. For viewers in regions where noise is popular, especially in India, the UAE, and nearby markets, the Noise ColorFit Pro series is one of the most practical everyday choices. What makes these watches stand out is the combination of budget pricing with features people actually use daily, like Bluetooth calling, large AMOLED-like displays, decent step and sleep tracking, and clean software design. Battery life usually lands around 6 to 7 days when used normally, though heavy calling does drain it faster. Noise watches earn high praise for comfortable straps, responsive UI, and stable notification delivery, something not every budget watch can claim. The main limitation is that advanced health metrics tend to be guideline level rather than highly accurate, but that's expected under $100. If you want a calling-enabled smartwatch with a modern look and strong user reception, the ColorFit Pro lineup is the sweet spot. Of course, not everyone wants a full-screen smartwatch. Some people prefer a slim, lightweight fitness band that lasts forever on a charge. And that's where Samsung's Galaxy Fit 2 still shines, even years after release. Samsung claims up to 2 weeks of battery life, and many users report getting close to that when they keep features moderate. The Fit 2 isn't trying to be a feature-loaded smartwatch. Instead, it focuses on accurate step tracking, reliable sleep monitoring, smooth animations, and overall comfort. It won't give you multiple apps, big screen widgets, or Bluetooth calling, but what you get is simplicity that just works. For people who want something they can wear 24/7 without thinking about charging or micromanaging notifications, the Fit 2 is still one of the most trustworthy sub-$100 options from a major brand. When you compare these sub-$100 smartwatches, each one fills a different role. Amazfit BIP models offer the best balance. Strong fitness features with excellent battery life. Wise focuses on giving you a large, easy-to-read display and smooth notifications without adding unnecessary extras. Noise delivers modern styling and Bluetooth calling at a budget-friendly price. Samsung's Galaxy Fit 2 prioritizes comfort, reliability, and long endurance over flashy features. So what type of user are you? For fitness value, pick Amazfit. For the biggest display, go Wise. For affordable calling, choose Noise. For a dependable, lightweight tracker, Samsung is the safest bet. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, comment, and subscribe for more.